Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Study Point. In previous video we discussed about expansion formulae exercise 5.1 all the sums. If you are not watched this video, go to the link given below in the description box and watch the full video. In today's lecture we are discuss about exercise 5.2 all the sum. Exercise 5.2 is depend upon the most important formula, that is a plus b cube is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. In exercise 5.2, the first most important sum, that is k plus 4 cube, it is quite similar to a plus b cube. Replace a by k and b by 4 and substitute the value of a and b in the formula, that is replace a by k and b by 4. A cube means our k cube plus 3k square, because a square means our a is k, therefore k square into 4 plus 3k into 4 square plus 4 cube. K cube is k cube, 3 into 4 12, k square is k square plus 3 as it is, 4 square is 16, k as it is plus 4 cube, we know the 4 cube, that is 64. Now k cube as it is, 12k square as it is, multiply 16 into 3, that is 48k plus 64. So student, start with our second example, that is 7x plus 8y cube. In this example our a is 7x and b is 8y. Now replace a by 7x and b by 8y, that is 7x cube plus 3a square, that is 7x square, b, that is 8y, plus 3 into a is 7x, b square is 8y square plus b cube, that is 8y cube. Now we know the 7 cube, that is 343, and x cube is x cube plus 3 into 8 we get 24y, 7x square, that is 49x square plus 7 3 is 21, and x as it is, 8 square is 64, y square is y square plus 8 cube is 512, y cube is y cube. Now multiply this term and this term, we get the final answer, that is 343x cube plus 1176x square y plus 1344xy square plus 512y cube. Now student, we start with our third example, that is given 7 plus m cube. In this example our a is 7 and b is m. Now our formula is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. A cube means 7 cube plus 3a square, that is 7 square into m plus 3 into 7, because our a is 7, m square because b square plus m cube because b cube. Okay, we know 7 cube, that is 343 plus 3 into 7 square, that is 49 into m plus 3 into 7, that is 21 m square plus m cube. 343 plus 49 into 3 we get 147 m, 21 m square as it is, and m cube as it is. This is our example number 3. Now we see the most important example in this exercise, that is 52 cube. In this example write down 52 as two terms, split the 52 as 50 plus 2. Now our a is 50 and b is 2. Replace a by 50 and b by 2. Now a cube means 50 cube plus 3 into 50 square, b, that is 2, plus 3 into a, that is 50, plus 2 square plus b cube, that is 2 cube. Okay. Now we know the 50 cube, that is 125000, that is 50's cube, and write down plus 3, 50 square is 2500 into 2 plus 3 into 50 we get 150, 2 square is 4 and 2 cube is 8. Now solve this term, we get 125000 plus 25 into 3 75 and 2 0 as it is into 2 plus 15 4 60 and 1 0 as it is plus 8. Now 125000 plus 75 into 2 we get 15,000 plus 600 plus 8. While adding this term we get 140608 as our answer. Thank you. In next video, student, we see the remaining sums. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe, like and share to your friends. If anyone have any doubt, please comment below to know me.